This is the 2020 Mazda CX-5 GT Turbo all-wheel drive. New for 2020, you now get paddle shifters, off-road traction assist, an 8-inch touchscreen display with Mazda Connect, and the meter set 7-inch LCD display. And under the hood, you have the i-ACTIV G 2.5-liter turbo engine, putting out 250 horsepower and has 320 pound-feet of torque on 93 octane fuel. You also get an active driving display, BOSE premium sound system, navigation, SiriusXM radio, leather upholstery, ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, 19-inch alloy wheels, and more. The color shown here is machine gray metallic. And if you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can take a look at the other colors we have in stock. And taking a look at the interior of the GT Turbo, you have your power mirrors, which are also power folding, power locks and windows. You also have storage along the bottom of the door. As well, you have the BOSE premium sound system. And over here, you have your power driver seat controls with power lumbar support, as well as your 2 memory seat settings. Your interior seating on this CX-5 GT Turbo is black leather. You also have available pure white leather, depending on your exterior color choice. We'll take a look inside. Push button start, so we'll start it up. Over to the left, you have your dial for your headlights and fog lights. Down here, you have your button for your power liftgate, off-road traction assist, and your lane departure on and off button. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth audio and volume controls, along with your paddle shifter. And on the right-hand side, you have your Mazda radar cruise control, as well as your other paddle shifter. And on your touchscreen display here, you have your AM/FM radio, satellite radio, standard, Apple Carplay, and Android Auto. You also have your backup camera. As well, it is equipped with navigation, and we'll also take a look at the safety features here. So you have your distance recognition support system, smart brake support, smart city brake support, blind spot monitoring, and lane keep assist. As you move down here, you have your button for your heated steering wheel, dual zone climate controls, as well as your heated and vented driver and passenger seating. Power outlet there. This is an automatic transmission with your sport switch there, along with your HMI commander, electronic parking brake, and your auto hold function. And in the center console, lots of storage with a removable tray, where you'll find another power outlet, auxiliary in, 2 USB ports, and your SD card slot. And up on top, you have your moonroof, looking on top here, you have your auto-dimming rearview mirror with built-in Homelink. And taking a look at your wheels, you have 19-inch alloys with a silver metallic finish. Beautiful looking wheels. LED headlights up front. As you move towards the rear of the vehicle, you do have intelligent access on the front driver and passenger door handles, your rear privacy glass, LED combination tail lights, CX-5 all-wheel drive badges, as well as your i-ACTIV G badge. And you have your power liftgate as well. So if you'd hold down the button on the key fob, it'll open right up for you. Lots of cargo space here in the back. You do have your 40-20-40 split rear seat. Power outlet there on the right-hand side. And to fold down your rear seats, you can pull on the tabs here. Same with the left-hand side, just like that. And then you have extra storage for whatever you need to carry around. And taking a look at the rear interior, you have your power windows, storage for beverage along the bottom of the door, lots of legroom, storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat. You also have your rear adjustable vents. Again, your black leather upholstery continues in the rear, interior in the middle, fold down console with cup holders as well as your rear heated seat controls. Storage here with 2 USB ports to charge your devices. So that has been a quick walk around video of the brand new 2020 Mazda CX-5 GT Turbo all-wheel drive. Again, the color shown here is machine gray metallic. If you go online to parkmazda.ca, you can take a look at the other colors we have in stock, as well as fill out a test drive form. And if you come on down for a test drive, we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles reward miles. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.